savings solutions, corporate business systems.
My name is Mitch Castrodale, and I'm the purchasing manager for Jordan Valley Community Health Center. And what Jordan Valley does is we provide medical and dental care for people in the Springfield and surrounding areas who don't have medical or dental insurance. Jordan Valley services about 5,000 to 6,000 medical patients and 5,000 to 6,000 dental patients every single month. Jordan Valley has grown at about 27% a year every year that they've been in existence, and they think that that growth will continue into the future. Probably a couple advantages. One was time, and two was cost. There's a lot of overhead in managing your own printers. No two printers match, no two printers are the same. That means every toner cartridge, every drum is different, so we have to then try to stock supplies for all that equipment. And I remember taking this issue to my boss, and it's really funny. She said to me, well, why should we do this? Why should we go? She said, show me a comparison of the cost. So what I did was I took one of our printers and I went and showed her a breakdown of what it would cost if that printer had one repair a year, and just the cost of the toners and the drums for that machine. The savings of managed print services over us buying all that separately was over 50%. And so that was a no-brainer for her. She emailed me back probably in about 2 seconds and said, let's do it. If you have so many different printers, you have so many different things going on. We're a really large company with that kind of growth, the 27% growth. You could add a printer today and add a printer in a month, and pretty soon, by the end of 6 months, you've added 10 printers. And then, are you really tracking your printers? Do you know how much print services you're using on a printer? Do you know how many copies you're doing? Do you know what cost is? And getting all that under control, or being able to see that, is what you need, but you just don't do it on a day-to-day basis. Well, that's just one less thing for them to have on their plate, or me as purchasing manager. And these multifunction machines are so important to your business. You can't let them go down, you can't let them sit, you can't ignore it. So when a request comes in on one of our important printers or copiers, that requires us to stop what we're doing and go get to that printer, or go fix the issue, or get supplies. And so what that just frees up is it frees up that kind of anxiety of I've got to stop what I'm doing and go to that thing. I've got to handle printers. I've got to be in the print business, printer business. And I can tell you, we don't want to be in the printer business. We really don't. The IT doesn't want to be in the printer business. I don't want to be in the printer business. I don't want to try to manage 50 printers. Actually, I think you guys have really done a good job of presenting it. I really do. It's kind of a no-brainer. I mean, we just signed off today on another printer. That printer request you gave me got signed off and approved today, and it's kind of an easy process. We sign off on that thing, it goes on that managed print services contract, and I kind of just forget about it. So it really is a fairly easy process, I think.
Products, people, savings solutions, corporate business systems.